Morning to all. Myself Ranjini Sonali. Today I will give a lecture on development of lateral surfaces of cylinder. Now first take one problem. Draw the development of lateral surface of cylinder of base diameter 40 mm and height 60 mm kept on HP on its base and is cut by an axis inclined 45 degree to HP and bisecting the axis of the cylinder. First, draw the XY axis. In that first step, draw a circle of diameter 40 mm in the top view. Now divide it into 12 equal parts. Now give a number like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now project the front view. Draw all the generators and name it as 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. Take a projections. In the problem, the height of cylinder is 60 mm kept on HP. So take a height 60 mm. And complete the all projections. Now naming as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, and here 1 dash, 12 dash, 11 dash, 10 dash, 9 dash, 8 dash, 7 dash. Now in the problem, it is cut by an axis inclined 45 degree to HP and bisecting the axis of the cylinder. Cylinder height is 60 mm and bisecting the axis of the cylinder. So take a distance 30 from HP from the base. And 45 degree from base. By using protractor, we can take angle 45 degree here. Now we put points name here. Point as 3, 4, 4, 10, 5, 9, 6, 8, and last 7. Now draw the DLS parts. This is a distance pitch, where pitch is equal to pi into d. Pi into diameter is equal to 40 mm. So pi into d is equal to 125.66. Now take a distance 125.66. Now divide DLS into 12 equal parts. Pitch is equal to 125.66. 125.66 divided by 12 is equal to 10.47. Now take a distance 10.47 in compass and mark 12 number. From here 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, and last 1. Here point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and last 1. Draw all the generators. Now project the all points from the front view. Here point number 1, point number 2, here 3, 11, 4, 10, 5, 9, 6, 8, and last 7. Now draw the all horizontal front view from front view to the DLS on the generators, like point number 1 and point number 1. Concentrate all the points where the point is matched. Here 2, 12, and transfer 2, 12 points from front view to DLS. 2, 12, here 2 points, next 12 points is here. One, here 2, here 12. Next point is 3, 11. Transfer this point 3 point here and 11 point next here. Next point is 4, 10. Transfer this point 4 and 11. Sorry, 4, 10. Next point is 5, 9. Transfer this point up to 5, next 9. Next point is 6, 8. Transfer this point up to 6 and 8, here 8. Last point is 7. Now, cylinder is bounded by curved surface. Join all points in proper sequence by smooth curve, like that. This complete the DLS of the cylinder.